Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online Classes. Students, we were reading chapter 4, subject and predicate of our English language book on stone. Students, in our last video, our topic was prefixes and suffixes. So students, included this topic, we have read about prefixes and suffixes. And students, we have also read and solved exercise O, Vishnu page number 17 in our English language book on stone. And we have also solved this exercise O in our Fair English language notebook in our last video. And students, today's our topic is also same. Today we are going to continue this topic prefixes and suffixes, and included this topic today we will read about prefixes and suffixes, and we will read and solve exercise A and B, which is page number 18 in our English language book Cornerstone, and we will also solve this exercise A and B in our Fair English language notebook in our today's class. Okay, so all students, please pay special attention in class and listen to my words clearly, because now we are going to read and solve these exercise A and B in our English language book Cornerstone, and we will also solve this exercise A and B in our Fair English language notebook. Okay, so all students, look at this page number 18. Let's see exercise A. Students, your exercise A is rearrange these jumble letters to form words with prefixes. Underline the prefixes. Okay, rearrange it's mean पुनः व्यवस्थित करिए. These jumble letters it's mean इन अव्यवस्थित अक्षरों को to form words शब्द बनाने के लिए. Okay, शब्दों को बनाने के लिए with prefixes it's mean उपसर्गों के साथ में. Prefixes it's mean होता है उपसर्ग. Okay, अंडरलाइन द प्रीफिक्सेस. अंडरलाइन मीन्स रेखांकित करिए. द प्रीफिक्सेस इट्स मीन उपसर्गों को. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, योर एक्सरसाइज इज रीअरेंज दीज जंपल लेटर्स टू फॉर्म वर्ड्स विद प्रीफिक्सेस. अंडरलाइन द प्रीफिक्सेस इट्स मीन इन अव्यवस्थित अक्षरों को उपसर्गों के साथ बनाने के लिए पुनः व्यवस्थित करें. एंड अंडरलाइन द प्रीफिक्सेस इट्स मीन उपसर्गों को रेखांकित करें. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एक्सरसाइज है अवर वर्क इज दैट, हमारा वर्क है कि हमें क्या करना है, जो जंपल लेटर्स है ना, अव्यवस्थित अक्षर है ना, इनको हमें रीअरेंज करना है, पुनः व्यवस्थित करना है, और इनको हमें सफिक्सेस प्रीफिक्सेस के साथ हमें इन्हें अरेंज करना है. ओके, उपसर्गों के साथ में अरेंज करना है, और जो हमारे प्रीफिक्सेस होंगे, उपसर्ग होंगे हमारे, उन पर अंडरलाइन करना है. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, लेट्स सी फर्स्ट नंबर जंपल लेटर्स. ओके सो स्टूडेंट, जो फर्स्ट नंबर जंपल लेटर्स आर A, B, O, D, Y and T, I. Okay, so students, the correct word with the prefix is antibody. Okay, so students, write down here in this first number blank antibody. A N T I anti, B O D Y antibody. And student, antibody it's mean होता है प्रतिरक्षी, and in this word antibody, anti it's a prefix. Okay, so students, underline this word, underline these letters A N T I anti. Okay, anti it's a prefix, एक उपसर्ग है. Clear? So student, let's see second number jumble words. Students, your jumble letters. Students, your second number jumble letters are M A B, U S I and R E. Okay, so students, the correct word with prefix is submarine. Okay, S U B M A R I N E, submarine. Here the meaning of submarine then होता है पनडुब्बी. Okay, and since in this word submarine, these letters S U B are your prefix. Okay, तो sub, S U B sub, it's your prefix, ये आपका prefix है, उपसर्ग है. So students, underline these letters S U B. Okay, because sub S U B it's your prefix. Clear? So students, let's see third number jumble letters. Students, your third number jumble letters are T I T E L B U S. Okay, and students, the correct word with prefix is subtitle, S U B T I T L E. Okay, here the meaning of subtitle. Subtitle means उपशीर्षक. Okay, and since in this word subtitle, these letters S U B are your prefix. Okay, sub it's your prefix. ये जो sub है ना, S U B it's your prefix, आपका prefix है. So students, underline these letters S U B. Okay, so students, let's see four number jumble letters. Students, so four number jumble letters are A P E A R P D I S. Okay, and students, the correct word with prefix is disappear, D I S A P P E A R, and here the meaning of disappear, that अदृश्य या गायब. Okay, so students, write down here disappear in this four number blank. Okay, and students, in this word disappear, dis, D I S, dis it's a prefix. Okay, so students, underline these letters D I S, because this it's your prefix. Clear? And students, let's see five number jumble letters. Students, of five number jumble letters are C I N R E B L E D I. Okay, and students, the correct word with the prefix is incredible. Okay, the arranged letters are incredible. Okay, incredible it's a word. Okay, INCREDIBLE. Okay, and here the meaning of incredible, that अविश्वसनीय, जिस पे विश्वास ना किया जा सके, जिस पर ट्रस्ट ना किया जा सके. Okay, and students, in this word incredible, here in it's a prefix. Okay, so students, underline this these letters in in. Okay, तो इन पे अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए. ओके, आई एन इन दिस लेटर्स योर prefix, so underline this and in. Okay, and students, let's see six number jumble letters, which is last jumble letters in this exercise. Okay, of this exercise. So students, let's see your six number last jumble letters are li, liter, ayc. Okay, since the correct word with prefix is illiteracy. Okay, il, literacy, I double literacy, illiteracy. Here the meaning of illiteracy, that nirachata. Okay, understand in this word illiteracy, il, it's a prefix. Okay, so students, underline il. Okay, because it's a prefix. Clear? So students, we have solved this exercise A, and in this exercise A, your correct words with prefixes are antibody and submarine and subtitle, and 4 disappear, 5 incredible, and last 6 illiteracy. Okay, and illiteracy, it's a last word with prefix of this exercise A. Okay, so students, in this exercise A, your prefixes are anti, 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 and second sub, 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 and third sub, 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 and 4 dis, jas, dis, and 5 in, and last 6 ill. Okay, so student, we have read and solved this exercise A, and I hope you must have understood this exercise A. You have no problem in any word of this exercise A. Okay, so student, now we are going to read and solve exercise B. So listen, look at this exercise B. Since your exercise B is match the words with suitable suffixes to form new words. Write the new word in the last column. Note that in some cases the spelling may change. Okay, match the words, इट्स मीन शब्दों को मिलाइए विथ सुटेबल सफिक्सेस, इट्स मीन उचित प्रत्ययों के साथ, सफिक्सेस इट्स मीन प्रत्यय. ओके, टू फॉर्म न्यू वर्ड्स, नए वर्ड्स बनाने के लिए, नए शब्द बनाने के लिए. राइट द न्यू वर्ड, नए शब्दों को लिखिए द लास्ट कॉलम, इट्स मीन कि अंतिम स्तंभ में. ओके, ये जो लास्ट कॉलम है ना, अंतिम स्तंभ है, उस पर न्यू वर्ड्स को हमें राइट डाउन करना है. And note that in some cases the spelling may change. Okay, and note that it's mean, ध्यान दीजिए कि in some cases, कुछ परिस्थितियों में this spelling it's mean वर्तनी may change, it's mean change हो सकती है, परिवर्तित हो सकती है, बदल सकती है. Okay, so since your exercise way is that match the words with suitable suffixes to form new words. Okay, it's mean कि शब्दों को उचित प्रत्ययों के साथ मिलाइए नए वर्ड्स बनाने के लिए. ओके, नए वर्ड्स बनाने के लिए, नए शब्द बनाने के लिए शब्दों को उचित प्रत्ययों से मिलाइए. ओके, एंड राइट द न्यू वर्ड इन द लास्ट कॉलम, इट्स मीन कि नए शब्दों को अंतिम स्तंभ पे लिखिए. ओके, जो हमारे लास्ट कॉलम में अंतिम स्तंभ है उस पर लिखिए. नोट दैट इन सम केसेस द स्पेलिंग में चेंज, इट्स मीन कि ध्यान दीजिए कि ध्यान देखिए कुछ परिस्थितियों में जो स्पेलिंग्स है वर्तनी है वो चेंज भी हो सकती है, बदल भी सकती है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एक्सरसाइज भी वर्क इज दैट, हमारा वर्क है कि जो फर्स्ट नंबर कॉलम पे जो हमें वर्ड्स दिए है ना, ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर कॉलम में हमारे वर्ड्स का कॉलम है, शब्दों का कॉलम है, एंड सेकंड नंबर कॉलम स्टूडेंट्स हमारे सफिक्सेस का कॉलम है, प्रत्ययों का कॉलम है. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट लास्ट कॉलम हमारा है जिसमें हमें न्यू वर्ड्स राइट डाउन करने के लिए. तो हमें क्या करना है स्टूडेंट, जो फर्स्ट कॉलम में जो वर्ड्स है ना, इन वर्ड्सों को हमें जो सेकंड कॉलम में जो सफिक्सेस है उनसे मैच करना है, जो सुटेबल सफिक्स होगा उससे मैच करेंगे, और जो न्यू वर्ड क्रिएट होगा ना वो हम इस ब्लैंक पे जो ब्लैंक्स है इस कॉलम में उन पे राइट डाउन करेंगे. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्टली लेट्स सी. Your first number word is comfortable. Okay, and here the meaning of comfortable, it's mean aramdayak. Okay, and son, the correct we can say the suitable suffix which can be add in the end of this given word comfortable is lie, lyl, lie. Okay, so students, match first number word comfortable to b number suffix lie, and then your new word become comfortably. Okay, and since here the meaning of comfortably, it's mean आराम से. Okay, तो students, comfortable it's mean था आरामदायक, and when we have add this suffix lie in the end of this given word comfortable, then our new word create comfortably, it's mean आराम से. Clear? So students, write down here in this first number blank comfortably, comfortably, comfortably it's mean आराम से. And since we can see the spelling, दिस स्पेलिंग्स आर स्पेलिंग्स चेंज हो गई हैं. ओके, तो कंफर्टेबल में स्टूडेंट्स क्या किया है कि वी ड्रॉप ई, ओके, एंड एड एल वाई. ओके, हमने जो ई था उसे ड्रॉप कर दिया, हटा दिया कंफर्टेबल वर्ड से, एंड एल वाई सफिक्स को ऐड कर दिया. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, राइट डाउन कर लीजिए COMFORTABLY, कंफर्टेबली इट्स मीन आराम से. क्लियर? स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी सेकंड नंबर वर्ड. स्टूडेंट्स, और सेकंड नंबर वर्ड इज pronounce, 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 and here the meaning of pronounce, it's mean उच्चारण करना, बोलना. Okay, and the correct suitable suffix which can be add in the end of this given word pronounce is Asian. Okay, Asian. So students, match second number word pronounce to D number suffix Asian. Okay, and student, then your new word become pronunciation. Okay, so students, pronounce it mean था उच्चारण करना या बोलना. Okay, and when we have added this suffix Asian in the end of this given word pronounce, then our new word become pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. Pronunciation. Here the meaning of pronunciation, it's mean कि उच्चारण करना या अनुलेख करना. Clear? So students, let's see third number word. Students, our third number word is green. 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 Green means hara. And send a suitable suffix which can be added in the end of this given word green is ish. Okay, ish is. So students, match third number word green to e number suffix is, and students, then your new word become greenish. GRENNISH. Okay, and here the meaning of greenish means students होता है हरा या थोड़ा हरा. Okay, so students, let's see 4 number word. Students, 4 number word is success. Okay, success means सफलता, and then the suitable suffix which can be added in the end of this given word success is full. So students, match 4 number word success to f number suffix full, and then your new word becomes successful. Okay, so students, write down here in this 4 number blank successful, SUCCESSFUL. Here the meaning of successful, that successful it's mean कि सफलता. Okay, सफलता पूर्वक या बोल सकते हैं विजय या सफलता. Clear? Students, let's see 5 number word. Students, the 5 number word is economic, and here the meaning of economic, that we can say arthik. Okay, and then the suitable suffix which can be matched to this word economic is l. Okay, so students, match 5 number word economic to a number suffix l, and students, then your new word become economical. Okay, so students, economic it's mean arthik, and when we have match 5 number word to a number suffix l, then our new word become economical. Okay, so students, write down here in this 5 number blank economical, ECONOMICAL, and here the meaning of economical, that arthashastri. Okay, so students, let's see 6 number word, which is last word of this exercise. Okay, so look clearly. Students, our 6 number word is likely, 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 and here the meaning of likely, that उपयुक्त या संभावित. Okay, and students, the suitable suffix which can be matched to this word 6 number word likely is a hood. Okay, so students, match 6 number word likely to C number suffix hood, and then your new word create likelihood. Okay, so students, likelihood, and students, then your new word create likelihood. So students, write down here in the 6 number blank likelihood, LIKELIHOOD. Okay, likelihood, here the meaning of likelihood, that likelihood it means संभावना. Okay, students, the mean was likely, संभावित या उपयुक्त. Okay, likely का mean तो संभावित, and students, here the meaning of likelihood is, तो यहाँ पे likelihood का mean है संभावना. Okay, so students, look clearly that the spelling of likelihood is LIKELIHOOD. Okay, so students, we can see it कि spelling is change. Okay, spelling change है, and LIKELY था ना, and students, when we have add hood in the end of this given word likely. Okay, the students, our word become likelihood, LIKELIHOOD. Okay, the students, in this word likely we drop y. Okay, we drop y and add I, and last suffix hood. Okay, the students, we replace y, we can say that we replace y with I. Okay, हमने क्या किया, जो LIKELY था ना, तो हमने y को रिप्लेस कर दिया LIKELI. ओके, तो हमने y को रिप्लेस किया I में. ओके, y को रिप्लेस कर दिया I में, और जो हमारा सफिक्स था हुड, इसको ऐड कर दिया. ओके, देन अवर वर्ड बिकम लाइकलीहुड. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, अवर न्यू वर्ड आर कंफर्टेबली. ओके, इट्स मीन कि आराम से. सेकेंड, प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इट्स मीन अनुलेख करना या उच्चारण. ओके, अनुलेखन या उच्चारण. एंड यू स्टूडेंट्स, और थर्ड नंबर न्यू वर्ड इज ग्रीनिश, इट्स मीन हरा या थोड़ा हरा. सक्सेसफुल, इट्स अ 4 नंबर न्यू वर्ड, इट्स मीन होता है सक्सेसफुल, इट्स मीन विजय, सफलता या सफलतापूर्वक. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, ऑफ 5 नंबर वर्ड इज इकोनॉमिकल, हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिकल, दैट अर्थशास्त्री. एंड योर लास्ट 6 नंबर वर्ड इज likelihood, it's mean ki sambhavna. Okay, so students, we have read and solved this exercise B, and I hope you must have understood this exercise B. You have no problem in any word of this exercise B. Okay, so students, we have completed our today's topic. We have read and solved exercise A and B, and I hope you must have understood both exercise. You have no problem in any exercise. Okay, so students, today's your classwork is that complete exercise A and B, which is page number 18 of this chapter 4 in your English language book cornerstone. And students, also note down these exercise A and B in your Far English language notebook with your best handwriting. It's your today's classwork. And students, today's your homework is that learn exercise A and B, which is page number 18 of this chapter 4 from your English language book cornerstone. And I hope you have no problem for learning well, because I've explained all these words. I've explained both exercise A and B. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork, complete exercise A and B, which is page number 18 of this chapter 4 in your English language book cornerstone. And students, also complete this exercise A and B in your Far English language notebook with your best handwriting, and send me your work here. Thank you.